goldenrod is one of our strongest anticatarrhals or decongestants. Super helpful for colds, flu, sinus infections, allergies. So not just infections, but all different kinds of allergies for dander allergies or pollen. So it's anti-inflammatory, it's astringent, and it's decongestant. So it's helping with sinus congestion from a number of different venues. So really helpful cold and flu remedy. I'll put in a lot of teas. It is one of our stronger diuretics, so it will really increase urination. I've noticed myself when I'm drinking it for upper respiratory congestion during a cold or flu, sometimes I'll be getting up in the middle of the night to go pee 3 or 4 times. So it is a really powerful diuretic. Don't confuse goldenrod with groundsel or ragwort because it can kill you. So be careful. Know that you have a goldenrod.